Hi, I'm Ruhani, and this is a demo for the application Peak, which I made for my 15112 term project. Peak is basically an application that tries to help you reach your sleep, steps, and mood goals for the day. So you start out by just logging in with your Fitbit account, and that directs you to the screen where you log in. I'm actually going to log in using my dad's account since he's been wearing his Fitbit for a long time and has some good data. So I've logged in there, and then you are directed to the screen where showing your home page, and you can go and view your steps. So you see that you have this nice bar chart, and you can toggle between week, month, and year. And you can see that when you click month, you get a nice animation that displays the larger time frame. And then you can also see the year, which gives you an even larger time frame. And you can see similar things for sleep. So you can go into the month and then into the week, and you just see that nice animation displaying all of that information. And then you can go into seeing data representation of your sleep versus your active minutes of the day. So this just kind of compares those two variables. And then from there, you can also get predictions for how many active minutes you will take in the next day based on how much you slept last night. So you can see that my prediction is 21 minutes. And then you can also see a similar thing for the variables sleep and steps. So this shows you the scatter plot, then you can also see the predictions for that. Again, you can see the relationship between now your steps and your sleep and how those relate to each other. And again, also you can get that prediction as well. Now you can move on to do mood, and now mood is actually not stored on the Fitbit website, so all of this information will be stored on the application itself and then remembered for each user so that all of that data is there every time the same user logs in. So you click on mood, and now it prompts you to kind of select what your mood is for the day. So I can say that maybe my rating is an 8 or a 7, so let's pick a 7. You can press enter. And now it shows you all of the historic data for your mood based on how many steps you've taken in that day. So you can look at this and maybe decide that you should be optimally taking around 12,000 steps in a day to have that really great mood of a 10 over there. Then finally, what you can do is look at recommendations. So this will actually give you recommendations for what activity you should do right now to reach your steps and sleep goal. So we can look at the steps goal first. And it looks like we still need to take 8,697 steps in our day, and it's prompting you to tell it how much time you have available to work out or do some activity. So let's say you have 45 minutes to do something, and now it'll tell you that you should maybe try 47 minutes of fencing. So it tries to compute an amount of time that's very close to the amount of time you have available, and then give you a activity that has the right number of steps per minute for you to do. Now, once you see this activity, you can decide either that you like it or you don't like it, and click these buttons. You can also resubmit a time. So let's say instead you want to say 30 minutes, and you see it's squash, and maybe you don't like squash, so you say thumbs down, and then it'll give you another close recommendation. And these recommendations are based on how much you like the activity versus how much time it takes. So like there's a trade-off, and I know that previously I'd said I like squash, so it was actually further away from 30 minutes, but now it's giving me rugby because now I'm saying that I do not actually like squash. So that explains those recommendations. And then we can also look at reaching our sleep goal, and it seems that I've already taken the number of steps that I should be taking in order to sleep the amount that I would want to achieve my sleep goal for the following night. And so it gives me this congratulations screen. However, if I did not reach that steps goal, I would have had a screen similar to the one we just saw previously. And that explains the extent of this application. You can finally log out, and that shows it. Thank you.